Join ForumIAS Academy, trusted by hundreds of toppers, including IAS Rank 1 Shruti Sharma.
Hello everyone, welcome to ForumIAS. In this video, we will know about New York Declaration on Forests, NYDF. It is a political declaration that brings together governments, companies, and civil society actors, including indigenous peoples' organizations. It calls for global action to protect and restore forests. It offers a common multi-stakeholder framework for forest action, consolidating various initiatives and objectives that drive forest protection, restoration, and sustainable use. It was adopted in 2014 UN Climate Summit. The NYDF Global Platform was founded in 2017. It facilitates coordination and communication, share best practices, resources and lessons, and support ongoing monitoring of progress. The Secretariat for NYDF Global Platform is provided by United Nations Development Programme. The New York Declaration on Forests is the first global timeline to slow and end forest loss. Its main goals are halting natural forest loss by 2030, restoring 350 million hectares of degraded and deforested lands by 2030, supporting the private sector in eliminating deforestation from the supply chain of major agricultural commodities, improving governance, increasing forest finance, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. The achievement of these goals can reduce the global emissions of greenhouse gas by 4.5 to 8.8 billion metric tons every year. The NYDF is currently endorsed by over 200 entities, including more than 50 governments, more than 50 world's biggest companies, and more than 50 influential civil society and indigenous organizations. US, UK, Russia, China are signatories to it. India is not a signatory to it because in the agreement the trade is being interlinked to climate change and forest issues. This question was asked by UPSC in 2021. Please give your answer in comment section. And also, if you like the video, then please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to ForumIAS. Thanks for watching.